Now, the equation of a circle we are talking about. In the equation of a circle, this is x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square equals 12 square. That you must be knowing, we have done in the last session. This is also equation of a circle, so that is x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy plus c equals to 0. And in this case, you must be knowing the center is given by minus g comma minus f. And the radius is given by under root of g square plus f square and minus c. G square plus f square minus.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
One more form is there of equation of a circle, that you can write as diametric form. Have you done the diametric form before? Diametric form means if the diametrical endpoints are given, let the diametrical points are alpha 1, beta 1, and this is alpha 2 and beta 2. Diametrical endpoints are given. So the equation of the circle will be x minus alpha 1 and x minus alpha 2 plus x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, and then we have y minus beta 1 and then y.
Yeah, I think I did this.
Beta 2. This is the diametrical form. Done? Noted it?
So it's x minus both the x coordinates plus y minus
x coordinates plus y minus both the y coordinates. Done? Now, nice. Next we have some special circles. Some special circles. In case of some special circles, like this is a circle touching the x-axis. Circle touching the x-axis. This is our x-axis. This is the center. And this is a comma 0. Got it? Touching the x-axis. No. If it will touch the x-axis, so the y-coordinate will be 0. Only x-coordinate will be there. So that's why it is a comma 0. Now, if it touch the y-axis, let's say it is touching, this circle is touching the y-axis.
It will be 0 comma a.
So 0 comma b we can do. That one. This is the y-axis. 0 comma.
Okay.
Note it down.
One second. Also, would it be okay if you could send me a document of all of these, like the important stuff?
It would be okay, but how will explain it then?
No, after teaching.
After teaching, yes. I can share that. But document, yeah, but there's so many things there. So I'm just giving this lecture part of it. Document like you want the printed notes?
Yeah, something like that. Because I'll also write by my own. But if I want for reference or something, is it fine if you make like a formula sheet?
Yeah,
or like
formula
with all
sheet
the
I can give you. Formula booklet I will give you, no problem. But these things I have to explain. No? That's why I'm doing it right now.
After teaching, is it fine if you give?
Yeah, I will send you all the list of formulas. The formula booklet I will only send you. So no problem.
Okay.
Noted?
Yeah. What is the formula for this?
There's no just like let's say if you have to write the equation of a circle. In that case, we'll generate a formula. Just I'm showing like in case of the circle is touching the axis. If they're touching the axis, so x, if it is touching, it is going to be a comma 0, the y will be 0. And if it is touching the y-axis, it is 0 comma 1.
So like for the first one, it can be x minus x1 the whole square plus
X minus x, yeah.
y square is
y square is, yes.
Okay. Yeah, done, sir.
See, one thing to be known. Now, how will you write the equations? Let's say the level. Okay, 1 second. Next topic we can do. The parametric. I think you haven't done the parametric form before. You know what is parametric form means basically?
No.
Parametric form means if we are doing the equation in the form of angle, in the angular form, you can say. Let's say
Okay.
this is a circle, and this is the angle theta, and this is the radius r. So this point P having an angular coordinate theta, P theta. Understand till now? This is P.
Okay.
Fine. Now, if we have to write the equation in the parametric form, this will be like, let it is x square plus y square equals to r square. So x is written as r cos theta and y is written as r sin theta.
Okay.
Okay, this is when the center at origin. But when, see, in the B part, let's see, if the center is not origin, so what we will do? It will be x minus x1, some coordinate, square, plus y minus y1 whole square equals to r square. Here x is going to be x1 plus r cos theta, and y is going to be y1 plus r cos r sin theta.
Why are we adding it?
Because now before the center was 0 0, so that's why we wrote 0 plus r cos theta, and for the next one we wrote 0 plus r sin theta. But now if we have some different coordinate, then what? So it will be y1 plus r sin.
Okay.
Okay, got it? This one. Now next is, we have a circle, and this point is A and this point is B. Let the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. So what this part is called intercept. Okay, intercept made by a circle.
The part of the line which is inside the circle is
inside
intercept.
the circle that cuts it, that is the intercept made by the circle. Now, so let's say we have a circle like this one, and this is the intercept, and this is perpendicular, and this is the radius r, and this is an. So let's say the length of the intercept what it cut is L.
So it will be L by 2 and L by 2.
Yes. So it will be L by 2 and this will be L.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we move on?
Yeah.
Now let's say the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. And this circle, this is the circle. This is the circle. And this is cut by this line at point A and at point B, and this is the x-axis. Then they ask intercept, this length of intercept. So length of intercept AB, the length of intercept AB is given by 2 under root of g square minus. Length of intercept made by the circle on x-axis is given by the formula AB is equal to 2g square minus.
We're not taking the y coordinate into account here.
Yeah, no, because it is on the x-axis, nothing else.
But what if it was on the y-axis?
It was on the, yeah, I'm telling you that will come.